Hello, it's me again, Sir P, and welcome back to my channel. Ayan, so for today's video, medyo iba ang content natin kasi medyo alam ko it's been a while. It's been a very long while since my last video about my online enrollment na nagustuhan nyo naman. But for today, I'm going to share to you the other stuff that I have. And one of which is, of course, ang hilig ko sa paglalaba. Kaya lang, minsan nakakapanghinayang yung maglaba ka tas ang dami-daming tubig. So, ang ginawa ko, bumili ako ng mini washing machine. And of course, at the same time na rin is, mahilig din maglaba yung nanay ko. So, para hindi siya laba ng kusot ng kusot kapag kukunti. So, at least this time, pwede na siyang maglaba ng may washing machine syempre na hindi na siya nagkukusot. So, without further ado, I'm gonna show you the washing machine na in-order ko sa Shopee! Alright, so ito na yung washing machine. Tcharon! Ayan, so maliit lang siya. Hindi, nag-vlog ako eh. Bina-vlog ko tong washing machine na maliit. Para di na tayo magkusot. Ayun. Ayun! Mhm. Ayun.
Ay, dryer na?
Babalik. Tcharam! Alright, so ito yung washing machine. Ayan, so check natin. So ganyan siya kalaki. I'm not sure about the measurement. Alright, so ayan, meron siyang number. So according sa napanood ko, yung 0 to 5 yata ay para sa drying. And then yung 0 to 10 is for washing. Okay, so sa gilid niya naman, dito naman yung hose for para ma-dispose yung water. Tapos nandito sa likod yung kanyang saksakan. Ayan. Let's open. Sa loob, so meron siyang manual dito, kaya lang I don't know if it's Japanese or Chinese. Well, it doesn't matter. Tapos yan, dito yung hose naman for the water source para sa faucet. Okay, tapos syempre yung rack for dryer. Yan, and yan naman yung for washer. Okay. So ngayon naman, i-test natin kung gumagana ba siya. So, hanap tayo ng power outlet. Lagyan natin dyan. Ayun. So, gumagana siya. Alright. Okay, now let's try it with washing. Okay, so mostly nilagay ko dyan face mask tsaka underwears ko. So yan. So, close natin. And, oops. Ayun. Alright, so now, ita-try natin yung dryer niya. Titignan natin kung maganda. So, this is yung bagong banlaw. Wait. Try natin. So, 1, 2, 3. So, kasya yung tatlong t-shirt. Ayan. So, siguro kasya pa dyan yung 5. Kasya pa siguro dyan 5. And, ayan, lagyan natin from 0 to 5. Alright, now check natin after 5 minutes. Ay, hindi, number 5 lang siya. Oh, compare sa malaking washing machine, hindi siya ganun ka-dry. Medyo may tubig-tubig pa siya. Yun. So, well, what can we expect? Maliit lang siya. Ayan. Ayan, all I can say is okay siya for washing but not for drying. Ayan, but wala naman akong issue kasi kung araw-araw ka naglalaba, pwede to. So, yun lang. And how much did I buy it? So, ito yung price. Ayan, tignan nyo na lang sa Shopee. Alright, so that's it. Thank you. And don't forget to please like and subscribe to my channel.